In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create content using your Google account. We can create content using the Google Workspace applications, but the first thing we need to do is make sure that we're signed into our Google account. We do that by going through the Chrome browser, and then we check that we're signed in by just double checking that icon in the top right corner and that it's the email account that we wanted to use. Once we've done that, we can go into the menu and see here the different applications we've got available. Google Docs is very similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel. Google Slides is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And then we've got Google Meet, which is our video conferencing application. Google Forms, which we use for surveys and questionnaires. And Google Sites, which we use as a website builder. Our recommendation would be, before you start creating content, to navigate to the folder that you want it to be stored within on your Google Drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Google Drive, and I'm going to create this content in my Drive. That means only I can access it. It's only permissioned to me. So in my Drive, I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call this test. And then I'm going to open up that folder, and that's where I'm going to start creating my content. To create content, I can simply go new. And if I want to create a document, like a Microsoft Word document, I can click on Docs. And here it is. Remember to give your document a name. In the top right corner, I'm going to call this my test document. And you can see here it's saying save to drive. There's no need to do file save as. It's automatically saving the whole time that you are editing it. You've got all of your normal formatting options that you would see in a Microsoft Word document. You are able to print depending on your computer setup. You are able to delete if you want to, and you can share with others by adding in their email address, preferably a Google email address, which means they can collaborate with you at the same time. Once you finish, you can click on the X, and we can see that that is saved now in the test folder that I created. And I can repeat that process if I wanted to create a spreadsheet, making sure that I give it a name. And again, you'll see that there's all of the formatting and the data sorting tools that you would expect to see if it was a Microsoft spreadsheet. And we can create extra tabs across the bottom, share with others. And if we do want to have a look at different versions, we can go into the version history section as well. Once I finish, I can click on the X, and there it is stored in that folder. And finally, just to demonstrate, if it was a PowerPoint, a Google slide, I click on those Google slides, give it a name, and this will help me to build a presentation, and I can add pictures into here, videos into here, and I can present using the slideshow tools to any audience and for any purpose that I might need to. Share with colleagues or friends, and then I can click X to come out of it. So just to find this folder again, if I was to go into Shared With Me, so it's not in my Shared With Me folder, but if I go back into my Drive, here's that folder, test, and here are the files within it. I'll also see them now listed in my recent folder. Thank you for watching.